For sale is a 1967 Ford Falcon, priced at $8,995. It's a vintage vehicle with an excellent condition rating. The car is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, the 1965 Mercury Marauder, listed at $9,000. It's equipped with a Ford FE390 big block engine with an original 3-speed column shift transmission. The car is in good running condition. This is a 1979 Oldsmobile Hurst, priced at $7,500. This vehicle is operational and capable of driving. The car is equipped with a factory 5.7 motor. The 1977 Ford Maverick, priced at $7,500. This vehicle is noted for its extreme cleanliness and immaculate interior. The car runs and drives excellently.